What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to generate SBI ATM PIN. So firstly, visit the official SBI Internet Banking portal. Enter your username and password to log into your account and then click on e-services. Select ATM CUM debit card and then click on ATM PIN generation. You will see two options, using one-time password or using profile password. Select your preferred option and then enter the required details. Choose the bank account linked to your debit card and then select the debit card for which you want to generate or change the PIN. Enter the first two digits of your desired PIN and SBI will send the last two digits via SMS to your registered mobile number. Enter all four digits to confirm, and now you'll receive a confirmation message that your PIN has been successfully set. Your SBI ATM PIN is now active and ready to use. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.